Today I am going to make a video on icon loss error while installing a address or resolving the ways how can we get free of that error while installing the address. So for that I have bring 3 different ways to do that, and I am typing in a text document over here. You can see one of the method is removing the icon catch file from the F data. I will show it how we can go through this. And rule number 2 is ways, not rule, it is the second method. How can we solve that problem of icon loss problem from the taskbar or anything while installing the address problem. The second method is by doing a fresh start and reinstallation. And third one is by checking the functionalities while installing the address. Now with this I am going to show you all these things in this video. So I am going to start it with this method number 1. So for that what we have to do is, first of all we have to go to this and go to C drive and go to user and go to your desktop or your PC name Dell. And after that what you have to do is you have to go to this view tab and you have to check this hidden icon, and you can see here F data will appear, and you can go to local and already it is checked. And now you can see it here. Here is the icon catch file. We have to delete this file to resolve the icon loss problem. After that what we have to do is, this is the method number 1 as I have shown. We have to remove that icon catch file from the folder. And now we are moving or the heading towards the method number 2. So for that what we have to do is we have to go to setting. Here in the setting we can go in a 2 way. If you want to reset if it doesn't work, or we can do this reset PC, or another method is that method number 2. How to get with the fresh start is, sorry, you can see it here. Method number 2 is here, going with device health and performance and doing a fresh start over here. After that it will resolve your icon loss problem. If it doesn't solve, and if you are ARCGIS user and address user, then you have to do another thing while installing the address. So I am showing that part over here, how to go with this. So first of all I am going with this, and while doing the third part what we have to make in a sense is that number 3 what we have to do is we have to first of all close all these antivirus. I'm going to pause protection nearly for 1 hour. You can see it here. After that, we have to extract all these our installation file. Without delaying, I am going to do that in fast way. Sorry for the interference. I am showing all these procedures over here, and we have to do it as run as administrator. And I have made a separate video for installation file, so I am doing it as much as fast to show you how to go with this resolving the icon loss problem while using both ARCGIS and the ERDAS in the same PC. I am not explaining anything over here. I am just going with a flow to make it fast as soon as possible, as fast as possible. And it has happened, it has finished. Now I am going for a second one, and I have made a video on installation part. You can go over there with that video for full part. Here I am not describing anything about installation part. How can we go with that? You can see there it is extracted. Now I am going to show it over here. Run as administrator. I am not delaying anything. I am just going in a fast way. But next, I accept. Next, next, next. You can see here it finished, so I am closing it. Now I am going to install third party address machine. It will take little bit time, so I am skipping this part from here, and I will showing the main part where we have to focus on, and we have to keep putting focus on this part. So be alert or look at carefully. We have been facing this problem over here. I am going to loading it. Same thing while we have been doing during the installation time. You can see there. Now it takes little bit more time, so I am pausing it here again. So now I will show you at the end part of this installation that the change which we have to make during the video to resolve the icon loss problem. Now after this we have finished this part. Now it will show the configuration part. and the change which we have to make to resolve the icon loss problem is here. So look it carefully over here. It is going on. You can see it here. You can see what we have to do. We have to check this format and then only apply and then only close. Otherwise the icon loss problem will appear again and again. So we have to focus on that part. Now after this I am closing this, and now I am again pausing the video and taking it to the last part where we have to focus on another functionality. We have to check it to resolve the icon loss problem. So I am skipping from here again to while cracking the address while using this part, this forward. I am doing this after this, and I am going to end the part after this installation. So I will be back at the end. Now here you can see it here at the last part. I am showing here again and showing just last part. It is carrying on. Here you can see it here. Again, just check only this to check here over here and do apply and close. After this, just cancel it. Now your address is ready, and we have done here. You can see it here. We have done 3 different methods. First of all, removing the icon cache file. Second, by doing a fresh start and reinstalling, and third one is by checking functionality. And here I am typing address format. With this, I am going to end my video here. Thank you. Keep watching.